Crowdstrike earnings is tomorrow after the bell. That's what we're here to talk about. I'm Rob Helmick, former internet CEO, founder of several internet companies that I sold, an attorney and professional gambler. And my wife, Maria, is a banker. We've been trading together options and stocks since 2020. Today, we're going to talk about the Crowdstrike situation. Here's where we are. This is 6:15 or so, 6:20 at night. And we're going to be looking at Crowdstrike in our big funds. We manage some smaller funds too, just for your edification. We have a $30,000 fund. We're doing 6 trades a day. If you're interested in that, just check the videos. It's on the channel. Okay. So when we look at earnings, we see up here that it's about $36 is the expected move, plus or minus. I like to be out, somewhere in the 12, 14, 15 delta. So if we're going to trade this at 460 tomorrow, I made some notes to myself. I want about $5 here to make the rate of return something that I'd be interested in. If it's at 470, you're a little more aggressive. It's kind of a weak trade. You're going to want to get $7 here, I think. For 475, I'm definitely going to look at this trade. This probably is my top trade. I want $9 for this. And if I can get $9 tomorrow, then I'll be definitely interested in where we are, depending, of course, on what the market is on the stock itself. And then at 480 is a little rich for my blood on the delta. 26 delta is a little dicey for me, but if I got 12 or 13 bucks, I might be interested in doing that. Now, we will come back on tomorrow and give you our update probably around noon. I don't know how to do live trading, otherwise I'd do live, but that's something that is coming. We never ask for payment on our YouTube channel, by the way. We just started it. But we do ask if you're interested in something, just put it in the comments below. We're going to talk about AI, about the math that we use. Math makes money. We do about 2 million back tests every single week in building our fund strategies. We use 28 strategies. I'll be trading 120 SPX 0 DTEs every single day. I'm on pace to do about 28,000 of those trades this year in one of my funds. So we're pretty aggressive in how we manage our funds, and we have pretty profitable rates of return. But we also have some smaller accounts. You asked us to do a $30,000 challenge, so we're doing 6 trades a day in there. We started that October 1st. It's had 61 days of trading. We're up about 23%, so 158% annual rate of return. It won't stick up that high, but that's where that is right now. Also, my wife Maria, she is camera shy. So if you could help me to get her on camera by just putting in the comments, we want to see more Maria, I would really appreciate it. That would be helpful. If you're a trading addict like me and Maria are, just embrace it. It's okay. I am a professional gambler and a professional options trader, and I'm addicted to both things. I do love it. Both of them are fine to have that addiction as long as you recognize what it is and that you manage it. And gambling and trading are all the same. You just want to trade small, trade often. In trading, never use more than 30% of your buying power. That's going to give you plenty of space to trade incorrectly, and it will happen once in a while. And then always trade with math. We never trade with anything but math. Be sure you understand the math. Math makes money. Always trade with your head, not with your heart. If you're a sports fan, you cannot sports gamble. If you're a fan of CEOs of companies, you cannot be a trader. You have to be completely unemotional, completely like a robot. That's why I like AI, and that's why I like robots. We use AI at least 8 hours a day in our trading. At any rate, all that's on the channel. If you're interested in any of that, you want to watch us live trade, just put comments down below, and we'll try and accommodate you. I hope you have a great trading day.